BoostAeroSpace is a joint venture company founded by 5 major players in the European Aerospace and Defence industry. The companies are Airbus Group, Airbus, Dassault Aviation, Safran and Thales. The ambition of BoostAeroSpace is to provide unified intercompany collaboration services for our industry. For generic collaboration in aerospace and defense programs and projects, the service is called AirCollab. AirCollab is based on Microsoft Sharepoint and is enriched with specific templates mirroring the way of working and the collaboration processes of the aerospace and defense industry, and with some additional functionalities. Given the sensitivity of our business, of our industry, a lot of focus was given to security. So AirCollab is containing specific security features as, for example, strong authentication. And also when we selected our solution and service provider, Thales is very well known to provide highly secured IS solutions and IS services. Today, AirCollab is already used by a lot of aerospace and defense companies. So if any new company will decide to use AirCollab for their external collaboration, they can expect that a lot of their external partners already know AirCollab and already are using AirCollab. So we are on the way to provide an industrial standard for the aerospace and defense industry.
I want to share with you my experience of AirCollab. AirCollab is a platform and set of services which have been defined by BoostAeroSpace and developed by Thales, and also is operated by Thales. This platform is widely used now by the main company, aerospace and defense companies, and more than 1,000 projects are already supported by the platform. As far as Dassault Aviation is concerned, we have 4 main business drivers. First one is that this is ready to use, and if you want to use it, you just have to connect to it and you can use it immediately. So this is very practical in a certain sense. You don't have to have IT people involved at all. Second thing is that this is on the cloud and this is secured. It is operated by Thales, and the level of security has been defined and approved by all the main companies which are participating to the BoostAeroSpace company. So you are sure that you are at the right level of security. The third business driver is, of course, the cost of ownership. Cost of ownership is very good because it is a mutualized service, and it has been developed for everybody, so we are sharing the cost. You don't have anymore to set up specific platform, project by projects, and to deal with the compatibilities between the different platforms, between the different companies. And it is very cost effective. Finally, I must say that we benefit from the fact that there is a specific governance in BoostAeroSpace, which allows the different aerospace companies to share their requirements and develop them in the long term. As an example, I can mention the use of the platform for connecting our customers and getting their return on experience of the use of our products. They are very satisfied by the use of this platform because they are really able to discuss with Dassault Aviation engineers and tell them what should be our products, what are the problems, what are the good things, and this is very new to them. Second example is the use of the platform in order to communicate between the companies about the certification rules inside the Aerospace and Defence Industrial Association, the ASD, at the European level. More than 600 people are connected and are collaborating in order to discuss the new regulations that are proposed by our regulation authorities. In conclusion, I must say that the AirCollab platform is a big success for the aerospace and defense companies, and also for Dassault Aviation, which is using it widely.